Hi there, this is Bonus and today's video is all about danger zone. Means everybody know how to cook, but do you know that what temperature we should keep our dishes? Means what temperature we should keep our dishes so it can be safe from bacteria. So let's figure out the temperatures that how to keep our food safe from bacteria growth. Right? Let's start the lesson. Let's see. Bacteria growth most rapidly in the range of temperature between 40 to 140 Fahrenheit, right? Which means 4 Celsius to 60 Celsius, doubling in number as little as 20 minutes. So fast. Comes to the danger zone, it rapidly growth of bacteria, right? So less than in 20 minutes. This range of temperature is often called the danger zone, right? You can see here from 4 to 60, right? Let's see the next point. Never leave the food out of refrigeration over 2 hours. And this is because in this zone, food poisoning bacteria can grow to unsafe level that can make you sick. Let me show you the thermometer that what I have made here. This is in Celsius. You can see here the frozen means -18, which is a blast freezer. And here you can see the activity is like nothing, like asleep, right? Chill here is like 1 to 4 means the chiller temperature, and here the danger zone, which is the rapid growth of bacteria, which is from 4 to 60, and this is like stop keeping out, means don't keep your food between this temperature, right? And this is the high risk. Clear with this? And you can see after 60, the cooking temperature showing here as 75 degrees Celsius, and 90 to 75 is going to be too hot, so whatever the bacteria will be there in your food, it will start to die. And when it comes to 100, everybody knows that this is a boiling temperature, right? So not at all growth of any bacteria, means completely dead. So this is something which is very important when it comes to dealing with food, and because whatever we consuming, it should be safe. So remember this. Let's go to the next page. Some few points here. 0 to 2 hours, use immediately or keep at or below 5 Celsius or at above 60. In the previous I said 4 Celsius, right? 5 Celsius and 4 Celsius doesn't make any difference, right? But yeah, in India we say 5, and in international they used to write 4. 2 to 4 hours, use immediately. More than 4 hours, throw away. It's not safe. Let's see the 7 ways to keep your food out of the temperature danger zone, right? Number 1, plan ahead. Don't over cater as a greater in quantity. Don't over cater when it comes to the greater in quantity, right, of your food. As prepare the harder to keep it hot or cool enough until it is served. As greater quantity is going to be a bit trouble for you to keep it this temperature, right? So when it comes to greater quantity, it's a bit tough to handle the food, right? Comes to hot and cool. Like cool means below 5, and comes to hot is like above 60, right? Clear with this? The second is keep your fridge at or below 5 Celsius. Why? You know that, right? Number 3, check the storage instruction. Well, let me tell you, the next video I'm going to make on this. When it comes to hotels and a big industry, when they keep their food, like they have a meat, they have vegetables, they have dairy products, then they have a poultry, they have a meat means comes to red meat, right? So they have a storage instruction that where to keep. If it keep the poultry down, then you have to keep your lamb and pork on the top. So the stacking is there when it comes to instruction. So I'll share, no problem. Next video will be on this, so no problem, no confusion. I'll clear in that video. Number 4 is keep hot food at or over 60. Same like this, like when it comes to fridge 5, and when it comes to keep your food hot, here you can see this is what all about. This one and this one, right? Over 60. Number 5th, divide food up to cool quickly. Means, for example, you have 1 container, right? You cooked in this. So what happened? I know that I want to keep it inside. I want to keep it inside in the fridge, this dish. So I have to wait to get a right temperature to put it inside the chiller. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 2 more. And I will split the gravy in this. Just think, the gravy is there inside, right? So I will split. So what happened? This container I cooked, so this container is already hot, right? So what happened? If I'll take it up, if I do half and half, I'll pour half here and half here. So it will help me to cool down the gravy faster, right? It will take a less time. This process also save time, right? So this is what about the divide food to cool quickly. You guys clear? See the sixth one? Keep food on the move cool. Means when it comes to transporting, the perishable goods like dairy products, meat, those kind of products, we require a certain temperature. When it comes to move from one state to another state, right? It's something like covers 1000 kilometers, 1500 kilometers. It's pretty long distance. For that reason, we used to use cooler bags to maintain their temperature, right? I hope you guys clear with this. Last not the least, the seventh, if you have any doubt, right, then please throw it out. This is what it means. Temperature danger zone is 2 to 4 hours or after 4 hours. Means you have to throw it out if the dish has been kept outside, which is in the danger zone temperature, which is from 2 to 4 hours or like more than 4 hours. That means the dish is not safe for consumption because of rapid growth of bacteria. You guys clear with this? So this is what all about the danger zone, and to understand that how hotels and all are generally taking care of their food, and what are the temperature of the danger zone, and what is boiling temperature, cooking temperature, high risk temperature, stop keep out temperature, chilling temperature, frozen temperature, right? So this is something, it's very important. And yes, this too, very important, means 4 to 60. I hope you guys clear with the danger zone, right? So till then, you continue the danger zone, and I'll see you in the next video, right? And have a great day. Bye.